So people often ask, what kind of internal documentation or contracts do I need for my business? And the common first example of when you really need to put something in paper is when you're transferring an ownership interest in the property to somebody else, or you're selling it. For example, in a limited liability company, there are members that own ownership interest, and sometimes they sell that ownership interest to another person. The consent of the other members and the terms of that sale need to be papered up and signed, so there's a written memorandum of that agreement. Another example is when the business is selling a substantial amount of its assets. You'll usually want to get that papered up and approved and signed by the other members of the company. Another example is when you're entering into a big transaction, say a lease, or you're purchasing a substantial amount of assets, not selling, things like that, where you are spending a substantial amount of money of the company. Again, you want that papered up with some kind of internal document, either meeting minutes or a written consent resolution, just so there's a written memorandum of what actions the company has taken, and that all the members or owners or shareholders or whatever the entity type is, those people have consented to it and approved that action. Just so, again, there's a written memorandum of that action. And any of those things or occurrences that happen with your business and you're not sure whether it should be papered up or not, feel free to give us a call. We can help you out with that here at Lovelace Law.